So yesterday I went ahead and rebuilt the housing or the terminal connector for the underhood lamp. I had replaced it recently. The pieces were broken, so I went ahead and ordered a new underhood lamp for the 1967 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, but it was the wrong model if you want to take it that way. There is two screw holes. The original only has one, so what I did was just repaired this one with the new system that I had, and I installed it. Just to let you know, this is a 396 engine, and the underhood lamp goes on the left hand side as you're facing the car for a straight 6 and a 396 big block. If you had a 283 or the 327 engine, it would be located right here for you on this side. So just to let you know, the 396 has it on the left hand side as you're facing the vehicle. To install this, you'll need a 9/16 socket, and there should be one hole only for the mounting of the underhood lamp. It's been connected already. We did that the other day. Unfortunately, my fuse blew once I had it operating, but just to show you that it does operate, I'm going to go ahead and connect the wires and show you that this system does work. But I have to replace the blown fuse, so it should fire up. So there you go, the underhood lamp does work. I just have to go replace the fuse. It is a 9 amp 32 volt fuse for this unit right here, and I've looked around and we'll find one at the store at Napa Auto Parts and replace it. Thank you very much. We've reinstalled the underhood lamp for the 1967 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport on the 396 side of the hood. So now I'm going to demonstrate that it actually works. There's the hood. It opened up, the light fired up, so now I'm going to close the hood and the light should go out. Light is out. There's no reflection or light on the floor so we can see it, so it is actually working.